This is ECU E40. Previously, we were able to use the CAN bus to read and write the master chip. The new software 1.80 now support the slave read and write through the CAN bus. And the connection of the CAN bus is exact same as the master. But in the software, you need to select the E40 slave CAN slave. So let's power on. You can check the connection and go to the website. It will be the same as the master. So go back to the software. We can check the ECU info here still. Now let's do a backup. So I can click read slave. And first we'll enter the debugger on and detect the internal flash is 256 kilobyte of internal flash. Now we go to read the slave, and the slave is at the address of 40000 to 80000. And let's save it. So you can take a look at the content of the slave. If someone wants to modify this one, you can modify the binary here as well. Just for demonstration purpose, I'm going to erase and then make sure it's erased. Then I can write back. So I'm going to click here to erase. And it's erasing. And if you look at the LED here, it's blinking. So now the slave chip is fully erased. We can do a blank check. Compared to the master, the read and write speed is slower. Master, we can get about 30 to 33 kilobyte per second. When access the slave read, it's about 8 kilobyte per second, because the CAN bus is talk to the master, and the master is send the signal to the slave and then retrieve it. It's through the SPI. That's why it's slow. And program is even slow, about 3 to 4 kilobyte per second. So now its flash is blanked, and we still have this data here. But if you have different file, you can say I want to load different file. This will be the same file, and I can say write slave. So I'm going to write the slave here, and it will do another erase, well, even though it's erased. And now we start programming it. Please be patient, it's a little bit slower, and the LED is blinking, and the speed is about 2 to 3 kilobyte. But in general, it will take 40 to 50 seconds to program the 256 kilobyte flash. If the area is blank, we will skip it. So that's why sometimes you see the speed is faster and sometimes slower. Okay, program finished. Then we do a verification, and verification is compare the slave flash versus what's in the memory. Okay, slave program finished through the CAN bus. Actually, I found even if the slave chip is completely erased, you can still use this method to program the slave. Unlike the master, if master erased, you have to use the BDM to recover it. In some cases, not all the cases, okay, in some cases, if slave is corrupted, you will still be able to use the CAN bus to fix it.